Happy game day.
Cover down.
That's right, I said the clarinets are hosed. Dig it, oh. Clarinets are hosed. Dig it, oh. Clarinets are hosed. How do you like it? In the alley and every day. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Check out Maryland. Let's hear it. It's game day! It's game day! It's game day! It's game day! Everybody clap your hands. See that O's down, around and through. This is how I tie my shoe. Bend over, bend over, bend over. Beat the Wolverines. Bend over, bend over, bend over. Beat the Wolverines. Knock them down, get them on the ground, get them off the field. Oh yeah. Knock them down, get them on the ground, get them off the field. Oh yeah. Knock them down, get them on the ground, get them off the field. Oh yeah. Knock them down, on the ground, get them off the field. Whole lot of money. Dina's got it for me. Mad hose junkie. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Go, Turks! Hey, look at me, look at me! I can do deep snap because I'm cool. You're just jealous. Go, Turks! Ooh. Ooh. Go, man, let's beat the Wolverines. Ooh. 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 Go, man, let's beat the Wolverines. Saxophone. Hey. Saxophone. Hey. Saxophone. Hey. Hey. Let's get the money. Saxophone. Hey. Saxophone. Hey. Saxophone. Hey. Stroke. 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 A yellow bird with a yellow bill. What's sitting on? My windowsill. I learned him in. There comes the bread. And then I smash. It's Wolverine head. Beat the Wolverines. Beat the Wolverines. Beat the Wolverines. Beat the Wolverines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you going to sax? Oh! Dig it, oh! That's our hose. Ba-ba-bo. Dig it, oh! That's our hose. How you like it? Rock! In the alley, and every day. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Check out Maryland. Let's hear it. It's game day. It's game day. It's game day. It's game day. And through. This is how I tie my shoe. Bend over, bend over, bend over. Beat the Wolverines. Bend over, bend over, bend over. Beat the Wolverines. Knock him down, get him on the ground, get him off the field. On the ground, get him off the field. Oh yeah. Knock him down, get him on the ground, get him off the field. Oh yeah. it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party. Go, Derbs! Hey, look at me, look at me. I can use the C-step because I'm cool. You're just jealous. Go, Derbs! Ooh. Ooh. Go, Maryland, beat the Wolverines. Ooh. 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 Go, Maryland, beat the Wolverines. Saxophone, hey, saxophone, hey, saxophone, hey, hey, saxophone, hey, saxophone, hey, saxophone, hey. Come on, everybody, here we go. Confidence drum. The yellow bird with a yellow bell. What's dancing on my windowsill? I learned a man went from the bread and I smash his Wolverine head. Beat the Wolverines! Beat the Wolverines! Beat the Wolverines! Beat the Wolverines! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beat the Wolverines! Clarinets are hoes! Clarinets are hoes! How do you like it? Rock! In the alley, and every day. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Check out Maryland. Let's hear it. It's getting dead. It's getting dead. It's getting dead! It's getting dead! Down here! Down here! Down here! Phoenix, O's, down, around and through. This is how I tie a shoe. And over. Beat the Wolverines! Woo! Up, bend over, up, bend over, up, bend over. Beat the Wolverines! On the ground, get off the field. Oh yeah. Get him off the field. Oh yeah. Knock him down on the ground, get him off the field. Oh yeah. On the ground, get him off the field. Whole lot of money. See that's got it for me. Bottle scheme, popping on a pad. Oh yeah. It's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Go, Dirk! Hey, look at me, look at me. I can use C-step, not cool. You're just jealous. Go, Dirk. Ooh. 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 Go, man, beat the Wolverines. Ooh. 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 Go, man, beat the Wolverines. That's up. Hey. That's up. Hey. That's up. Hey. Hey. That's up. Hey. That's up. Hey. That's up. Hey. What's up, Houston? More. And it's at the clear, and it's our hose. Get and it's our hose. Get and it's our hose. In the alley, it's every day. Oh yeah, get out there. Let's get him on the ground, get him off the field. Oh yeah, knock him down, get him on the ground, get him off the field. I got a whole lot of money, CNET's counting for me. Autos heat, I'm gonna slide a bad hose job. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Go, Dirks! Hey, look at me! I can use these snacks, is that cool? You're just jealous! Go, Dirks! Go, man, let's beat those Wolverines! Go, Maryland, beat those Wolverines! Saxophone, 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 hey, let's get the money! Saxophone, 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 don't talk, you say running, here we go! Stroke, stroke, double witch, stroke. The yellow bird, the yellow bell, was sitting on a windowsill. I learned a bit, when it comes to bread, and I smash big Wolverine head. Beat the Wolverines! Beat the Wolverines! Beat the Wolverines! Beat the Wolverines! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can count the sacks. Beat the Wolverines. Get it up. Clarinets are hose. How you like it? Drop. In the alley, in every day. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Take off the toilet. Let's hear it. It's game day. It's game day. It's game day. It's game day. Daddy. Everybody clap your hands. Let's host. Down, down and through. This is how I tie you up and over, and over, and over. Beat the Wolverines. Up and over, and over, and over. Beat the Wolverines. On the ground, off the field. Knock him down, on the ground, get him off the field. Knock him down, get him on the ground, get him off the field. Knock him down, on the ground, get him off the field. Got a whole lot of money. CNET's got that for you. Bobby's team, Bobby's slide of bad hose jockey. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Go, Surfs! I
We did it!
Anything is possible! Anything is possible!
I wish I would have recorded it. Like, I'm so surprised. I checked out. Do you have it?
Maybe.
Oh my god, that'd be great. Oh, I got you. Because nobody else look. Like, who's gonna see us? Like,
Goat right here, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, you definitely
I want to get one of the alumni to turn the camera off.
I don't make the rules, guys. You don't do They're not in there. 700 people in the field.
This is the first time I noticed that shit.
What?
what?
The two of y'all.
Looking the same?
No.
Brandon, you want to turn the
Being
camera
together
off?
in the truck.
Man! Well, I'm gonna the third line's good. Probably will be. Abbreviated pregame.
Football and yours,
Number 1. Down. Let's go.
It's with great pride and pleasure we welcome you to support the Turks. So join the band now and help cheer the team to a Maryland And now we welcome all Michigan fans with the playing of the Victors. At this time, please rise for the playing of our national anthem, conducted by the director of the Mighty Sounds of Maryland, Dr. Andrea Brown. Please remain standing and join us now in the singing of our alma mater, conducted by the University Archivist Emerita, Ann Turcos.
Whoa!
The University of Maryland Marching Band has now been an integral part of the spectacle, excitement, pageantry, and tradition of Terrapin football. Marching now at 250 beats per minute, the University of Maryland Marching Band presents The Shell.
13. Three. Dip it. C to the H to the C to the H. All you need is power Zach. C to the H to the C to the H to the Where's Zach? Start number 1. I didn't have time to take the other lens cap off.
when your branch's song is announced, so we may thank you for your service. United States Let's have a round of applause for all of our U.S. service members and veterans. We thank you for your service to our country. And now. Our next musical premiered in Baltimore in 1975 before moving to Broadway. Known for its movie adaptation as well, featuring Michael Jackson. He's on down the road.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, half, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Another musical taking inspiration from the Wizard of Oz. Part 2 just opened this week in theaters. Here is No One Mourns the Wicked. Tribute, celebrating its 10th anniversary this year. From Hamilton, here is What I'd Miss and The Room Where It Happened.
Phoebe, Madison Bonner, Sam Burnett, Lorraine Carr, Zoe Shabria, Carlos Chen, Kendall Coburn, Catherine Cox, Cara DeStefano, Joey Edwards, Daphne Fish, Stella Gardner, Nick Gonzalez, Connor Heft, Grant Heineke, Dan Jameson, Josephine Jones, Jake Keller, Victoria Lamb, Serena Lee, Jackson Martin, Zippin Madison, Sam McCusker, Meadow McGee, Ash Morales, Gracie Morgan, Abby Monroe, Erica Atsamu, Ryan Owens, Henry Pencil, Ethan Papareski, Scott Regan, Grace Rotifer, Alexa Rodriguez, Bobby Schaller, Anna Simpson, Chris Sixby, Ben Smith-Hicks, Pamela Soriano, Ali Stavely, Tabitha Tamulovich, Kelsey Taylor, Amanda Traub, Eric Valentine Jr., Danny Milano, Don Wenger, Ben Westgard, and graduate assistants Dick Frank and Katie Rose Hand. In honor of these students' hard work and dedication to the Maryland Band Program, as well as the university, please rise and join us in the singing of our alma mater, conducted by Dr. Andrea Brown.
Go, Derp.
Second Sunderland. quarterback position, number 2, native